Take a ride in the 2003 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, fog lights, tachometer, AM/FM stereo with cassette, includes 4-speaker radio prep package, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, cassette. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.